Now listen here. Chapter number 5. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. The first one is A1 by x1 comma y1, B1 by x2 comma y2. The distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B of x2 comma y2 is what is the formula? B equal to root of the first point minus first point whole square plus second point minus second point whole square. So then 2 points are given. Midpoint of A is what? First point plus first point divided by 2. Second point plus second point divided by 2. This is called midpoint. Then this is called second formula. A1 point, B1 point. If A and B are midpoint such that the P of x comma y divide AB internally in the ratio m is to n. The formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma y my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. The same thing, the P of x comma y divides externally. The first one is internally. The externally the ratio means in the ratio m is to n means formula is what? In between minus mx2 minus nx1 m minus n divided by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus 1. M minus 1. Next one, the centroid of the triangle. Centroid is what? The triangle is given. First point x1 comma y1. This B is what? x2 comma second point. This third point. This centroid. This is called centroid. This is called centroid. G. This represents G. So 3 points are given. Centroid asking me. What is the formula? A simple concept. First point plus first point plus first point divided by 3. Second point plus second point, second point. Second coordinate, not second point. First coordinate adding on the value divided by 3. The second coordinate adding on the value divided by 3. This is the formula. These are the fundamental formula for coordinate geometry. Another important concept. One triangle is there. 3 points are given. The area of the triangle means equal triangle one formula is there, isosceles triangle one formula is there, then right angle triangle one formula is there. But here the same thing area of the triangle is asking, but then 3 vertices of the points are given. What is the formula? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to half into first point is what? x1 comma y1, next point x2 comma y2, third point x3 comma y3. Once again start with the x1 comma y1, end with x1 comma y1. In this way you want it. Now very simple concept. Cross multiply x1 into y2 plus x2 into y3 plus x3 into y1. Close the line. Minus next step. Here x2 into y1, x3 into y2 plus x1 into y3. This is the formula for area of the triangle. If inside x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, some numbers are given. 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way given. Just you want to multiply and adding, again multiply and adding, subtract and divide by 2. That is the answer for area of the triangle. The same thing, 4 points are given. This is called quadrilateral. This is called quadrilateral. The same thing, 4 points are given. The first point x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, 4, x4, y4. Once again, start with x1, y1, end with x1, y2. Now again multiply. What is the formula? Equal to half into what is the formula? x1 into y2 plus then x2 into y3. Next x3 into y4. Next x4 into y1. I'm again close up like that. Minus next x2 into y1. Next x3 into y2. Next x4 into y3 plus x1 into y4. This is the problem. But 3 points are given me, area of the triangle asking me, this is the area. This is the formula. Inside x1 y1 some numbers are given. substitute the number, then cross multiply, again cross multiply this way, adding, subtracting, dividing. If it is 4 points remaining, it's the same way 4 points. That's the important idea. By using this formula and this formula, so many problems are there. In first exercise, by using this two formula, we are getting so many problems are there. Now let us start with the exercise problem. Now listen here. Exercise 5.1. Find the area of the triangle formed with points. 3 points. The first one is that 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 minus 3 minus 1. First problem. Second problem is same. First plot the point in the rough graph. Without any measurement, draw the diagram of the diagram. Approximately here 0. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the approximation? 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1 comma minus, where is that? Here 1 minus 1. 1 comma minus. Am I right? Minus 4 comma 6 here. Third point is what? Minus 3 comma minus 2 here. This is the target. Without the number, you will not approximately also correct. I write the number and not the points. Otherwise, approximately minus 4 6 is the third quadrant, second quadrant. Am I right? This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Am I right? Actually, what is the reason? Plus na, both are positive sign. The number suppose plus like 1 comma 1. In this way, it will come with plus first quadrant. Negative positive, second quadrant. Negative, third quadrant. Positive, negative. Fourth quadrant. In this way, plot the points and join this triangle. It will be there will A, B, C. Usually, moving this way, this is called anti-division. Here only first will come this A, B, C. Not this same way. Only anti-division will work. The one easy value. Now write the formula. What is the formula? Area of the triangle ABC. What is the formula? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Here again x1 y1. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into what is the first point? Minus 4 comma 6. Okay. Minus 4 comma 6. Next point, minus 3 comma minus 5. Next point, 1 comma minus 1. Again start with minus 4 comma 6. Again minus 4 comma 6. Am I right? Now cross multiply. Half into what I told you. Minus into minus plus 4 by 20. In this way you want to do. Again minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 3 also plus 3. 1 into 6. Am I right? Now close the minus again minus 3 6 minus 18. Am I right? Next 1 into minus 5 minus plus 4 close the bracket. Now these are all positive 23 29. Here add these two numbers minus 23 plus 4. What is the answer? Minus 19. Am I right? In this way, simplify. 1 by 2, 29 minus 9 plus 19. 1 by 2, adding what? 18 by 1 9. 48. Divided by 2 now? 24 square unit. This is the answer. This is the answer. Anyway, draw the diagram clearly. Put it up diagram. After write the formula, substitute the point, then cross multiply. Again, cross multiply this side. First one, this one. Next one, minus half this one. Now simplify, we get the answer. This type of question is important 5 mark question or 2 mark question. Suppose 4 points are there means area is quadrant, no? That's very important 5 marks. But this question also may be 5 mark question, sometimes 2 mark question. So first question over. Now second question. Second solution. Same thing, no? Plot the point. Now this type of question, numbers are become, you know, minus 10, minus 5, etc. going on. That's why all are negative, no? That's why here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 7. Otherwise, only negative, no? In this way, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Yes, just 1, 2, here also 1. What is the first point? Minus 10, minus 4, the possibility here. Am I correct? Minus 8, minus 1, minus 8, here minus 1. Okay. Next step, minus 3, minus 8. Now guys, let it be A, this one, B, this one, C, this one. Am I correct? In this way, you want draw the diagram. Suppose without draw the diagramming, the answer may be negative answer will come. That is wrong. Already told you, plot the points. Moving always, plot anti-congratulation. This way you want to do. Suppose here A, B, C. Suppose you want to assume this one A, B, C. This is correct. But this side moving negative answer. That's why you want to draw the diagram. Then allow the point A, B, C in this way. It's A. Anti-congratulation. Now write the formula. Area of the triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y2 is the formula. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 into or assume A first point no minus 8, minus 1, minus 10, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, again minus 8, minus 1. Start with minus 8, minus 1, end with minus 8. Now 1 by 2 is cross multiply minus and plus 8 4 10. Minus and plus 10 by 50. Minus and plus 3. Minus again minus and plus 10 by 10. Minus and plus 3 4 12. Minus and plus 8 by 1. Okay? Adding 8 by 6. Here 40 50 60. Then subtract 323. Divide by 2 no 11.5 square units is the answer. In this way you will find the area of the triangle. Only 3 parts are remaining triangle. 4 parts are remaining. That is called quadrilateral. That's very important. First one answer is what? Next one 11.5 square that is correct. Both answer correct answer. Now plot the point very important. Otherwise wrong answer will come. Important concept. Next one. Now second question, determine whether the sets of points are collinear. That means what? 3 points are given. 3 points are the area. The area becomes 0 means the points are collinear. Simple concept. By using the area formula the same method, the answer will be equal to 0 means automatically all 3 points are in the same side line. That is what? Collinear. Collinear means what does it mean? All the 3 points are lying on the same side line. But the area becomes 0 means automatically 3 points lies on the same side line. That's why automatically we get the answer, it is collinear. What is asking? Whether the sets of points are collinear or not asking. If it is 0 will come in, it is collinear. Suppose not collinear means they are not collinear. That's all. Now, this type of problem need not draw the diagram. The area asking me, definitely 0 will not come, some number will come. That number we want positive. We don't want negative because area cannot be negative. That's why we get the positive answer. No? That's why you draw the diagram. Accordingly, you want to choose the first point, second point, third point. But here only 0 will come. Or negative value will come, positive. That is not a matter. If it is 0 will come, it's collinear. If it is negative number or positive will come in, not collinear. That's why need not draw the diagram. Don't waste your time. The area asking me, definitely you want to draw the diagram. Am I right? Suppose area given, something asking me, need not draw the diagram. Very important answer. If it is 3 points given, area of triangle asking me, or 4 points are given, area of the quadrant asking. These two type of problem, definitely you want to draw the diagram, then write the formula, substitute them. Or otherwise, other problem, need not draw the diagram. Area given or collinear is asking, this type of problem, need not draw the diagram. Don't waste your time. Now, take the formula diagram. Area of the triangle ABC. What is the formula? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y2. Substitute the point here. Minus half into 3 here, minus 5 into 6 here, minus 8 comma 8 again, minus 1 by 2 comma 3. Am I right? Now what is it? Half into, what is the answer? Half into 6. 3 times down, minus 3 will come. Half into 6. Am I correct? Again, cancel now. That's the direct answer. Half minus half into 6. Minus will come. Half into 6 is what? You refer half into 6 cancel. Only one is a 3. This is enough. Next step. Minus plus only minus. 5 is a 40. Again, minus 8 into 3, minus 24. First one over. Next step. This is another over. Next step. Minus 5 into 3, minus 8 into 6. Then minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Minus 8 into 6, minus 48. Next step, minus 1 by 2 to half. Minus half into 8 is what? Cancel 4 times. Next time, half is odd value, odd minus 67. Here odd value 7 negative 1 6 minus 67. Am I correct? Here half into minus 67, minus plus 67. Half into 0. Therefore, they are called quadrant. This one. That's all. Suppose not clearing, not clearing. That's all. First of all. Now second solution. B A into B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. The same thing. Area of the triangle ABC. What is the formula? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1. This is the formula. Half into, what is the first one? A, B plus C, B, C plus A, C, A plus B. Once again, A plus B plus C. Am I right? Now, listen here. A into C plus A plus B into A plus B plus C into B plus C. Am I right? Now first of all, minus again B into B plus C plus C into C plus A plus A into A plus B, close the bracket. The whole thing is what? Simplified. Now multiply, we get answer. Now how to multiply AC plus A square, BA, that's AB plus B square, BC plus C square, first one, minus, next is what? B square plus BC, C square plus AC plus A square plus AB equal to, that you want to cancel. The minus is not, A square is there. AC is there. A square is there. AB is there. B square is there. BC is there. C square is there. The whole thing will be 0. Oh my God. The whole term minus whole term, both will be equal to 0. Something minus the same thing. The term is there minus the same term here is there. Both are same. Here minus there. Total will be 0. In this way, put 0 equal to 0. Therefore, area becomes 0. Therefore, they are equal here. That's all. What is our thing? Verify whether the following points are collinear or not. If it is 0 will come in, collinear. If it is not 0 will come in, not collinear. That's all. This is 5.3. Third problem. Vertices is given, area also given, to find derivative. P is also. Vertices is given, area also given. What is the name? P is also. Already told you, 3 points are given, area asking me, draw the diagram. But here, need not draw the diagram. That, what is given? What is given? The given points are A 0, 0, B, B, A, C, 3, 1. Since one more given, what is given? Given area of the triangle A, B, C equal to 20 square, this is given. This is given. Now formula for area triangle is half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, again x1, y1 equal to 20. Right? Now bracket x1, y1, first one is what? 0, 0, then b 8, then 6, 2, again 0, 0 equal to 20 into 1 by 2 now, cross 1 by 2 into. Am I right? Now same thing. First thing is what? 0 into 0 plus b equal to 2b plus 6 is 0, 0. Am I right? Minus. Next is what? b into 0, 0. 6 is 8, 48. 0 into 0 equal to what? 40. Now here 2b minus 48 equal to 40. 2b equal to 40 plus 48. Adding 88. B equal to 88 by 2. Okay? Therefore, B equal to 42. This is the answer. What is given? Area also given. What is our name? The P is asking. The same concept without draw the diagram. The same problem need not draw the diagram. Very good. Towards base one. Now second question. Second one is saying that given points are A, B, B. Next step 5, 6, C 5, minus 2. The same thing given area of the triangle ABC equal to 32 square units. What is the formula? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 equal to Now what is the find? PP. P. 5, 6. Next step. 5 minus 2. Second. P. Close the bracket. Is equal to already that is there. The 1 by 1 cross multiplying into 2. Now same thing. P into 6. 5 into minus 2. 5 into P into 6. 16. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10. 5 into B. 5B. Close the bracket. Minus 10. In the same. 5B. 5 is 30. P into minus 2. So 5P plus 30 minus 2P equal to 64. Now add it up. 11P minus 10. Here, subtract both. 3P plus 30 equal to 64. This means that what? Adding like curves. This number is about, you will combine 16 and 5P. 16, 5P, 11P, 10 and no change. That is the 5P minus 2P, 3P. Now remove the bracket. 11P minus 10 minus 3 minus 3P minus 3P plus the minus 30 equal to 64. Now combining P with P. 11P minus 3P is 18. And equal minus 40 equal to 64. 8P equal to 64 plus 40 is what? 104. P equal to 104 by 8. How much time? What time? 3 times. Really, both the products are 5 mark answered. Area given, vertices of the lines are given. What is asking? The unknown quantity, the P is asking. The answer for first one is what? First one is 44, 30. Two answers correct. 5%. This is for 5%. The previous model, find the value of A. A is asking. If the 3 points are collinear given, already you know collinear means need not have diagram. The first subdivision given points are A 2, 3, B 4, A, C 6, 7, 8. Since the points, since they are collinear, that means what? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Reason why area something is given. Collinear means area becomes 0. Now write the formula. 1 by 2 into x1 y1. x2 by 2, x3 by 3, again x1 by 1 equal to 2. Substitute the point 2, 3, 4, A, 6 minus B, again 2, 3 equal to the cross multiply by 2, 0 into 2. Okay? Now simplify 2A minus 12 plus 18. Minus 12, 68, 2 into minus 6. Equal what? 0 only. Now 2A is there. 80 minus 12 plus 6. 2A plus 6. So subtract minus. Again 68. 1 minus 6. 6. 6A plus 6 equal to. Now remove the bracket. 2A plus 6 minus 6A minus 6 equal to 0. This we cancel now. Subtracting both. Minus 4A equal to 0. The A equal to what? The minus 4 from this side plus 4. This is correct or not? Wrong. What is it? This is the multiplication is there. A equal to 0 Cross 1 is no, minus 4 is cross 1 by 4. So 0 by anything equals 0. This is the idea. Important concept है 0 by anything what? 0. Minus 4 plus a equal plus 4. Minus 4 plus a equal to 0. We want a. The minus 4 comes plus 4. But a int is there, multiple is there. For cross multiplication, 0 by minus 4 plus 0. First answer. Alright? If you say find out a, if only is given, find it. Only is given, you will find the value for a. Now next question is the same thing, second subdivision. Given points are a. What's the point? A comma 2 minus 2a. B is what? Minus a plus 1 comma 2a. C is what? Minus 4 minus a comma 6 minus 2a. The same thing there only here. What is the formula? Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0 is the formula. Area is what? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 equal to 0. Next, what is the first point? A 2 minus 2a. Minus a plus 1, 2a. Minus 4 minus a, 6 minus a, 2a. Again, a minus 2a. Equal here, 0 into 2. Now, multiply. But let me count this one come. First you want write a into 2a plus minus a plus 1 into 6 minus 2a plus minus 4 minus a into 2 minus 2a. Close the bracket minus next this way minus a plus 1 into 2 minus 2a plus minus 4 minus a into a. This one. Last one a into 6 minus 2a. Close the bracket equal to 0. 0 into 0. Now simplify. It implies a into 2a square. Then multiply minus 6a minus plus 2a square. Next 1 into 6, 1 into minus 2a. Next minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus plus 8a. Next minus a into 2, minus 2a. Here plus 2a square. Again multiply minus a into 2 minus 2a minus a plus 2a square. Next 1 into 1 plus 2 minus 2a. Again here minus 4 into 2 minus 8a minus a minus 2a square. Yes, 6a minus 2a square equal to 0. Now what are like that? What are like that? 2a square, 2a square, 2a square, 6a square. Am I right? Number with the number, then a square term over 3 times. A term minus 68 minus 2 minus 8a plus 8a cancel, only minus 2a. Number, what are number? 6 minus 8 is minus 2. That's all. Here, minus plus 2a square, cancel. Only minus 2a square. Only one term. And here term, 6a minus 2a Number equal minus 3a, again minus 3a, again minus 6a. Number with number, only one would do. Again do the bracket, 6a square minus 2a minus 2 plus 2a square plus 6a minus 2a. Adding up 8a square, adding up plus 4a, number minus 4a. All of them direct now. 2a square plus 4a minus 2. Product of two numbers are minus 2. Sum of 1. What are the number? Minus 2. But divided by 2 now. Magana. Yeah. You want to simplify? This is a quadratic equation. That's why product of two numbers are minus 2. Sum of the two numbers plus 1. What are number? Minus 1 into 2. 1 into 4 minus 2. Subtract 4 only. But in front of x 2 is no. Divided by 2. Your answer is 2a minus 1 into a plus 1. Which is a equal to 6 times 1 by 2. Now minus 1. First answer a equal to 0. Next answer we have the quadratic equation in a. That's why solve this equation. We get the 2 values for x. A 1 by 2 comma minus 1 is answer. Am I right? Product of two number is 0. First term 0 is 1 by 2 become, comma, or next term is minus 1. This is the calculation. But concept is simple. The area becomes 0 is only area. If it is only the area becomes 0. But this is from need not draw the diagram. You want to combine the square with the square with the square, then a with the a with the a. The number with the number with the number. In this way, you want to do 1 by 1. By using the pencil, put the tick mark, then adding and combine together. We get the quadratic equation. Solve the equation. Get 2 values for a. Now, 5th question is important 5%. What is it now? 4 points are given. Area asking. Now, you want to draw the diagram also. Now 4 points you know. What is up there? I will put diagram only. 0, 2, 4, 6. This is 1. Only now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then minus 2, sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8. Up diagram only. Without accurate measurement. That's all. This is very easy value. You put all even now. Now what is the first number? First point, minus 9 comma minus 2. Minus 9 is what is the meaning? Minus 8 minus here. Minus here only. This is the point. Minus 9 comma minus 2. First number. Minus 8 comma minus 2 here. Next 2 comma 2 here. 1 comma minus 3 here. 1 here minus 3 here. Thanks. This is up there only. Now what I told you? Start with the first part. A, B, C, D. This is one action A, B. Now area of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D equal to A. What is the formula? Half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, again x1, y1 is the point. So what is the first point? What is the first point? A is the point now. 2, 2. Next say, minus 9, minus 2. Next say, minus 8, comma minus 2. Next say, 1, comma minus 3. Once again, 2, comma 2. In this way, got the points. And write the formula, substitute the point. Now cross multiply, very simple concept. By using this area. First is December, again December, into December. Okay? Cross multiply. You want multiply? half into, what is the first one? 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus into minus plus 9 4s are 36. Minus into minus plus 3 8 are 24. 1 into 2 plus 2. Minus, next minus 9 into 2, minus 18. Minus 8 into minus 2, that is what? Minus 7 plus 8 is 16. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Again, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. In this way, you want to cross multiply. Write the numbers clearly. You want to multiply minus into minus plus. The same sign means plus. The opposite sign means minus. In this way, you want to subtract. Multiply. Then you want to subtract or add. No. Consider this all is minus 4. The same thing. This all positive. Adding all value 62. Come here. Here, the only positive 16 is here. Adding all negative. Minus 10, minus 20. Next, 62 minus 4 is 50. Minus 60 minus 28. Because of minus, no, minus 28 minus 16. This is what? 2, 1, 1. Now again, 58 minus and plus 1. Adding both 60, 70. Wait. 35 square means this answer, you can't say 35 only. This type of question very important I was saying. Because 4 points are given and also top diagram. This question easy, answer also easy, but you will make some mistake, plus or minus mistake will come. To avoid the mistake, do yourself. Do the calculation yourself. Minus plus say. Plus minus minus in this way, do the calculation yourself, then correct answer will come. Second sum is also the same type of answer. You got a 5%. Now second solution is also 5%. The same method point will be changed. Again rough graph, need not put x-axis, y-axis, k, need not write. Simply, whether this point involving the first quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In this way, you want to guess the point. Need not write scale, x-axis, y-axis, something. Simply 2, 4 x are going on, 2, 4 x are going on, minus 2, minus 4 x are going on, here minus 2, minus 6 are going on. Now, minus 9 comma 0, minus 9 here, 0 also here, minus 9 comma 0, this one. Minus 8 comma 6, minus 8, 6 0, you know. Minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 here. 0, minus 2, so in between minus 1, here minus 1, minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 6 comma minus 3, what is that? Minus 6 here, here 3 no, here. Am I correct? What I told you from this way, and here A, here B, here C, this one is D. Now write the formula area of the quadrant A, B, C, D. Half it x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y3, again x1 y2. So what is the first one? Our answer is A, this one. Minus 8 comma 6. Next minus 9 comma 0. Next minus 6 comma minus 3, next minus 1 comma minus 2, again minus 6 comma 8 comma 6, okay? Start with minus 6 comma 8 comma 6, 8 with minus 6. The same thing, no? What I told you, 0, 27, plus 12, minus 6. In this way, you have to cross multiply. Now print the first one is minus 8 into 0, 0, minus 0 minus plus 27. Next, minus by plus 12. Next, minus into minus 1 6 minus 6. Minus. Next, minus 9 into 6, minus 54. Minus 6 into 0, 0. Then minus into minus plus 1 3 are 3. Again, minus into minus plus 8 6 are 12. Sorry, 8 6 are 8 2 are 16. Now simplify. Negative positive now 9 39 minus 6. Minus here minus 54 positive 90. Again 1 by 2 into 33. Minus the bigger number minus now minus subtract 54 minus 90. What is the answer? 14 5 4 3 33. Half into 33 plus 35. Adding up 68. Divide into no. That is called square roots. The square is also important. That is unique. You can say 34 square roots, right? But the 5th question, subject 1 and 2 very very important 5 mark question. In this model, exam problem also is there. I will do exam problem also because that also is important 5 mark is known. I will do exam problem also the same one. Now example 5.6, 4 points are given. Find the area of the quadrilateral. What I told you, the second one also 5 mark question. The same thing, the diagram. What I told you, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. What is the first line? 8, 6, 8. Am I right? 5, 11. 5 is what? 10, get out of 11 is known. 5 here, 11 here. Next, minus 5, minus 5, no? 12 here. Minus 5, 12. This one. Next, minus 4, 3 here. The undivided, no? This is the first point. B, Z, D. Am I right? What is the first line? The next formula. Half into what is the first line? 8, 6. 8, 6. Next 5, 11. Next minus 5, 12. Next minus 4, 3. That's all. Again 8, 6. 7 to 8, 6, 8 to 8, 6. Now, multiply 18, 16, minus 15, minus 15. Okay? Half into 88 plus 60, minus 15, minus 54, minus, again, 30, minus 55, minus 48, 24. Okay? 6 5s are 30. Next, minus 5 11, minus 55. Next, minus 48. Again, let's do it. Now, 1 by 2. Adding both are positive, no? 8, 148, minus 9, 39. Minus, this is positive, no? 54, minus adding 87. 30, give me 1, 1 and 2. Am I right? Can you subtract? 9, 1 and 9. Here, bigger number minus, no? Minus 103, 54. 103, minus 54. What's the answer? 9, 4, 48. Now again, 1 by 2 into 109 minus 9 plus 49. adding 150 divided by 7 times 9 times square root. This also is 1.1%. Some numbers are number. The concept is easy for you. Write the diagram clearly. Suppose directly we get A, B. By chance here, first point A, second point B, third point C, fourth point D. By chance is coming. Not all. Some of the problems might change. That's why not diagram. In the diagram also you got some mark. That's why area asking with 3 points are given or 4 points are given, you must draw the diagram, then write the formula, then substitute the value, then simplify. This is the procedure. That's all. Now exercise 5.2, 7th question. With the 3 points are A, B, C are only A. And also one equation is A plus equal 1. Find the value. Now the same thing given. What is the first point? Minus 3, 9. B, A, B. C, 4, minus 4. Since these 3 points they are collinear. What is the formula? Therefore, implies area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Correct? What is the formula for area? Half into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1 equal to 0. So what is the first point? Minus 3, 9. A, B, 2 point. 4, minus 5. Again, minus 3, 9. Which is equal to 0 into 2. Okay? Now, class multiply. Minus 3b. Minus 5a. Plus 36. Minus 10. 9a. 4b. Minus 9 plus 3 plus 15 equal to 0. Am I right? Now, B, A number, the addition sum is not possible. Here the A, B number, addition sum is not possible. That's why do the bracket. What is the first one? Minus 3B, minus 5A, plus 36, minus 9A, minus 4B, minus 15 equal to 0. Am I right? Now, A with A, minus 14A, B with B, minus 7B, number with number, 36 minus 15, what is the answer? 1, 2, 1, plus 20. Am I right? Now again, minus 14A, minus 7B, minus 1, 1. All the numbers are divided by 7. Am I right? Minus 2a, minus b, minus b. This is the first equation. Now what is already given? Only already given. The given equation is a plus b equal to 1. The second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Because what is asking? A and b asking. First we solve 1 and 2. Minus 3a minus b equal to minus 3. A plus b equal to 1. That b minus 3 plus 3 cancel. A minus 3 is what? Minus 3a. Here 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus cancel. Am I right? Put the a equal to 2a second equation. Am I right? Second equation. A2 plus b equal to 1. B equal to what? 1 minus 2. That is what? Minus 1. Therefore, A equal to B equal to minus 1. Therefore, A equal to B equal to minus 1 is the answer. This is also final question. Okay? By using the pruning idea. And also, one equation from the two equations, solve 1 and 2, we get the value for A, B. 2 comma minus 1 is the answer. 5 mark question. One more question, same type of question, previous question. Example 5.4. 3 points are given. These 3 points are only here, and one more equation is given. Find the value of b and c. Just like previous one. This is also 5 mark question. What are the points? 3 points are given. P, Q, R is given. Since they are only here, the area of the triangle PQR is equal to 0. Half into what is the formula? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y1 equal to 0. Now, what is the first point? Minus 1 comma minus 4. B, C, 5 minus 1. Again, minus 1 minus 4 equal to the 1 by 2 cross multiply 0 into. Now multiply minus 1 into C, minus C, minus B into minus 1, minus B, 5 into minus 1, minus 1B, close the bracket, minus, multiply, minus 4B, plus 5C, here minus and plus 1, equal to 0. Now, C, B number, all three terms are unlike terms. Addition is not possible, subtraction also not possible. Here also the same thing. That's why remove the bracket. Minus b, minus 1b, minus plus 4b, minus into minus 5c, minus into plus minus 1b. Now combining b with b, 4b minus b, that's 3b. Next, c with c, minus 5c, minus 1c, that's minus 6c. Number with the number, this is minus 20 minus 1 is minus 21. The 3b minus 6c equals 21. All them divided with c, 3. b minus 2c equals 7. This is the first equation. What is the condition? 2b plus c equal to 4 is 7. Solve. What is the method to solve? Here minus 2c is there, 20c is there. That's why first equation multiply 1. b minus 2c equals 7. Second equation is multiply 2. Multiply all the terms by 2. 2 is 4b plus 2c. 2 into 4 8. Am I right? Okay, second. b plus 4b is what? 5b. 7 plus 8 15. b equal what? 15 by 5 is the answer. Put b equal to 3 in second equation. The second equation, 2 into b is what? 3 plus c equal to 4. Plus c equal to 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 comes as minus 6. Minus 2. So the answer is b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2 is the answer. 3 comma minus 2 is the answer for B and C. This also you got a 5 mark %.